My quality of life, it was like down to like 60%. You know, there's certain things I was limited to, but now my quality of life is coming back, and I just want to be able to go back to it and enjoy what I used to do.
So Mr. Firestone had a right shoulder large rotator cuff tear with some early arthritis.
When I went to raise my arm up, I didn't get the extent, you know, when I went so far, it's all of a sudden I had to bring it back down. I couldn't do it.
He had 2 tendons torn, and they were torn so badly they were not repairable. So in his situation, an arthroscopy to repair the tendon didn't make sense. It had a low chance of success, very low. And he had already some underlying arthritis. So today, we're lucky that we have a shoulder replacement that can solve both problems.
I'm going to be 70, I'm pushing 70 next, in about 3 months. I said, well, what about my recovery? He said, you're going to be fine.
In the reverse shoulder, the key element is that the deltoid is now powering a lot of the shoulder. And that is done because the reverse shoulder shifts the humerus down a little bit. When you have a torn rotator cuff that's not repairable, the humerus shifts upward and the deltoid becomes loose and floppy and you can't lift your arm up. So this restores the tension in your deltoid.
My recovery has been fantastic, and I'm following through with my PT. From the day one when I went in for the surgery, from the anesthesiologist to the surgery, everything was fantastic.
We actually get patients home the same day. They come in for surgery in the morning and return home the same day. They get an interscalene or a supraclavicular block, that's a nerve block up in the shoulder area that numbs the shoulder so you have no pain. You use less anesthesia that way. You don't feel as badly afterwards, and you're able to get up, mobilize, get home before the nerve block wears off, which commonly takes about 20 to 24 hours. And then you can transition to oral pain meds. Then therapy time starts.
I mean, look here, I'll tell you what, I'm looking forward to going back out there, getting offshore, catching fish.